Hello everybody, it's Jamie from Schedulicity, and in this video I want to go over payment refunds. So if you ever need to refund a client, here's how you can do that right from the Schedulicity dashboard. Select the three lines in the upper left hand corner and then click on the payments option. You can then search for a transaction by confirmation number or view by transaction date. From here, just select the transaction to view the details and refund. You can choose to refund the full amount or type in a custom amount to refund. After you refund, the transaction will display as refunded and the funds will return to the client's account, usually in about 3 to 5 business days. If you aren't using one of our payment processors and just need to record a refund, you can do that by simply selecting the transaction from here and then hit refund at the top of the page. You will then enter the refund amount and refund type. And then just to note, unless you charge the client's card and have a payment processing account, this is simply a recorded refund in Schedulicity rather than a full refund to the client. And then after you refund, the transaction will display as refunded. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps, and let us know if you have any questions.